Hello everyone, my name is Sweetley Irianty Saerang. Student house number is 211-011-03-0046. Program Study Mathematics, the final exam of the Information Technology course. Here I will explain about multinomial distribution. Multinomial experiment. If its trial have more than two outcomes, that the binomial experiment becomes a multinomial experiment. Multinomial distribution. If a given trial can result in the k outcomes E1, E2, E3 until Ek with probability P1, P2, P3 until Pk, then the probability distribution of the random variables x1, x2, x3 until xk representing the number of occurrences for A1, E2, E3 until Ak in an independent trial is x1, x2, x3 until xk, p1, p2, p3 until pk, close bracket, amount, n factorial divide x1 factorial, x2 factorial, x3 factorial until xk factorial. P1 the power x1, P2 the power x2, P3 the power x3 until Pk the power xk, where sigma e amount 1 until k, x1 amount n. Example 1. An house has 4 red, 6 blue and 5 green balls. A ball is the random selects and the place back in the round. Do this 5 times. What is the probability of causing 1 red, 2 blue and 2 green balls? In solution, n amount 5 number of trials, x1 amount 1 red ball, x2 amount 2 blue balls, x3 amount 2 green balls. P1 amount p red balls amount 4 define 15, P2 amount p blue balls amount 6 define 15, P3 amount p green balls amount 5 define 15. P open bracket x1, x2, x3 until xk, p1, p2, p3 until pk, close bracket, amount n factorial define x1 factorial, x2 factorial, x3 factorial until xk factorial. P1 the power x1, p2 the power x2, p3 the power x3 until pk the power xk. P open bracket 1, 2, 2, 4 define 15, 6 define 15, 5 define 15, 5 close bracket, amount 5 factorial define 1 factorial, 2 factorial, 2 factorial, 4 define 15 the power 1, 6 define 15 the power 2, 5 define 15 the power 2, p open bracket 1, 2, 2, 4 define 15, 6 define 15, 5 define 15, find close bracket, amount 0.1422. Next, example 2. Throw a die 12 times. What is the probability that its face value, open bracket 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 close bracket will equal 12. In solution, n amount 12 number of trials, x1 amount 2 die shows number 1, x2 amount 2 die show number 2, x3 amount 2 die show number 3, x4 amount 2 die show number 4, x5 amount 2 die show number 5, x6 amount 2 die show number 6, p1 amount p2 amount p3 amount p4 amount p5 amount p6 amount 1 define 6 because die is fire. P open bracket 2 2 2 2 2 and 2, 1 define 6, 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 and 1 define 6, 11 close bracket amount 12 factorial define 2 factorial, 2 factorial, 2 factorial, 2 factorial, 2 factorial, and 2 factorial. 1 define 6 the power 2, 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 and 1 define 6 the power 2. P open bracket 2 2 2 2 2 and 2, 1 define 6, 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 and 1 define 6, 12 close bracket amount 0.00345. And the next example 3, the probability that player will any game is 25%. The probability that player B will win is 25%, and the probability that player C will win is 15%. If they play 10 games, what is the probability that player will win 2 games, player B will win 3 games, and player C will win 5 games? So in solution, n amount 10 number of trials, x1 amount 2 games, x2 amount 3 games, x3 amount 5 games. P1 amount P, A wins amount 0.25, P2 amount P, B wins amount 0.25, P3 amount P, C wins amount 0.50. P open bracket 2 3 5 0.25 0.50, then close bracket amount 10 factorial define 2 factorial, 3 factorial, 5 factorial, 0.25 the power 2, 0.25 the power 3, 0.50 the power 5. P open bracket 2 3 5 0.25 0.50, then close bracket amount 0.0769. Here what my explanation was about multinomial distribution. Thank you.